A 5 by 5 meter small house covers a total area of 25 square meters. This compact size is perfect for a tiny home or studio living. The first step in designing is planning the layout carefully. Decide the purpose of the house before starting construction. It can be used as a living home, guest house, or rental unit. Start with measuring the land accurately. Mark the 5 by 5 meter square on the ground. Ensure the corners are perfectly square using the 3-4-5 method. Clear the site from grass and debris. Level the ground properly. Dig foundation trenches along the marked lines. The depth of the foundation depends on soil condition. Usually, 1 to 1.5 feet depth is enough for a small house. Compact the soil at the base of the trench. Add a layer of gravel for drainage. Install reinforcement bars if needed. Prepare concrete mixture with cement, sand, and gravel. Pour concrete into the foundation trench. Level the concrete surface carefully. Let it cure for several days. After curing, begin building the foundation wall. Use concrete blocks or bricks for the base structure. Apply mortar evenly between blocks. Check alignment with a level tool. Continue building until the plinth height is reached. Fill inside area with compacted soil. Add a layer of sand on top. Install damp-proof membrane if required. Pour floor slab concrete. Smooth the slab surface evenly. Let the floor slab cure properly. Start constructing the external walls. Use bricks, concrete blocks, or lightweight panels. Keep wall thickness around 4 to 6 inches. Leave space for doors and windows. Standard door width is about 80 centimeters. Windows can be 60 to 100 centimeters wide. Install lintel beams above openings. Continue wall construction up to roof height. Check vertical alignment regularly. Plan the interior layout efficiently. Divide the 25 sqm space wisely. A studio layout works best for small homes. Place the living and sleeping area together. Allocate one corner for the kitchen. Des.